Looking for a compact air rifle that delivers both power and precision? Many shooters prefer smaller air guns because they are lightweight and easy to carry. But finding one that doesn't compromise on performance can be tricky. That's why we've done the research for you. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 compact PCP air rifles that offer the best balance of size, accuracy, and power. Whether you need one for target shooting, pest control, or hunting, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find the perfect air rifle for your needs. Hatsan Jet 3. The Hatsan Jet 3 is a tactical, compact PCP air rifle designed for shooters who need a lightweight yet powerful air gun. Its modular design allows it to be used as both a pistol and a carbine, making it a versatile choice for target shooting and small game hunting. It is available in .177, .22, and .25 calibers, delivering up to 26 foot-pounds of energy. Unlike many budget-friendly PCPs, the regulated action ensures consistent shot velocity, improving accuracy and efficiency. The removable stock makes it ideal for both precision shooting and portability. With a multi-shot magazine and smooth side lever action, follow-up shots are quick and effortless. The adjustable trigger enhances accuracy, while the integrated suppressor keeps noise levels low. The Picatinny rail allows easy mounting of optics and accessories. In tests, the Jet 3 delivered accurate, consistent shots, proving it's a great option for shooters who want a compact, adaptable, and affordable PCP rifle. Brocock Ranger XR. The Brocock Ranger XR is a premium, ultra-compact PCP air rifle built for hunters and target shooters who need performance in a small package. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, 2.5 kilograms, it's easy to carry for long hours. One of its best features is the folding stock, reducing its length to just 450 millimeters, making it one of the most compact rifles on this list. Despite its size, the HUMA regulator ensures steady shot power, and the floating hammer system improves efficiency. The power adjustment dial lets shooters fine-tune settings, making it great for both backyard shooting and hunting. The side lever action is smooth and effortless, and the magazine holds 11 shots in .22 and 13 in .177, offering a good balance between shot count and power. The adjustable 2-stage trigger ensures precise control, and multiple rail options allow customization. In real-world tests, the Ranger XR performed smoothly and accurately, proving that small rifles can still deliver big results. Huben K1. The Huben K1 is unlike any other PCP rifle on this list. It's a semi-automatic powerhouse, built for shooters who need rapid follow-up shots and extreme power. Unlike traditional PCP air rifles, it uses a valveless firing system, making it one of the most advanced air guns available. Available in .22 caliber, it produces up to 80 foot-pounds of energy, making it powerful enough for medium-sized game hunting. The regulated system ensures consistent velocity and pinpoint accuracy. The 19-shot rotary magazine provides uninterrupted firepower, while the adjustable power dial lets shooters switch between precision shooting and high-power hunting. Despite its power, the integrated suppressor keeps noise levels lower than expected. The bullpup design keeps it compact, and the large air reservoir allows multiple high-power shots per fill. The side lever action is smooth, and the adjustable trigger ensures a crisp shooting experience. In tests, the K1 delivered exceptional accuracy, even with heavy pellets at long range. If you're looking for a semi-rifle that combines power, precision, and speed, the Huben K1 is a standout choice. FX Dreamline Compact. The FX Dreamline Compact is a lightweight, modular, and highly adjustable PCP air rifle designed for shooters who need versatility in a compact size. It delivers high-end performance, making it great for both target shooting and small game hunting. One of its standout features is the fully adjustable regulator and hammer spring, allowing shooters to fine-tune power and air efficiency. Available in multiple calibers, it can produce up to 30 foot-pounds of energy, depending on the setup. The side lever action is smooth, and the AR-style collapsible stock enhances portability. The 2-stage adjustable trigger ensures a crisp and responsive pull, improving accuracy. The FX Smooth Twist X barrel system is known for its exceptional precision, delivering tight shot groups at long range. With a high shot count per fill, the Dreamline Compact is efficient for extended shooting sessions. In tests, it performs smoothly and consistently, proving why FX air guns are a top choice for air gun enthusiasts. Edgun Leshiy 2. The Edgun Leshiy 2 is an ultra-compact, semi-automatic PCP air rifle built for shooters who need power, portability, and rapid follow-up shots. It's a high-end tactical air gun designed for hunting and precision shooting. One of its biggest strengths is its semi-auto action, allowing quick and accurate follow-up shots. The regulated system ensures consistent shot velocity, making it highly reliable. Available in .177, .22, .25, and .30, it delivers power levels from 12 foot-pounds up to 80-plus foot-pounds, depending on the caliber. The folding stock makes it extremely compact, perfect for backpacking or carrying in tight spaces. Despite its size, it delivers serious power, making it effective for small to medium-sized game hunting. The high-quality barrels and adjustable trigger allow for precise shooting. The integrated moderator helps reduce noise, making it quieter than expected for a semi-auto PCP. The high-capacity air reservoir provides multiple powerful shots per fill. In tests, the Leshiy 2 performed flawlessly, offering fast, accurate, and powerful shots. If you need a top-tier, ultra-compact PCP rifle, the Edgun Leshiy 2 is one of the best options available. That wraps up our list of the top 5 compact and powerful PCP air rifles. Each of these rifles brings something unique, whether it's semi-auto power, extreme portability, or top-tier accuracy. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more airgun reviews. See you in the next video.